Just got this huge box in the mail today. Super excited. It's almost like Christmas because this is my new Lego sets I just bought. Let's do the unboxing and start building it. I can't wait to see them. I'm so excited about this. Like I said, didn't take long to get it in the mail. Only a week, which is pretty fast considering everything going on in the world. Whew. Okay. First look at the box. Wow. This is the new Disney one with the train. I bought it kind of as an investment. I don't even know if I'm going to build this one in my town, but I love Disney. Used to go there as a kid. We had a timeshare down there in Kissimmee, which is just outside of Disneyland. And we used to go there all the time. So can't wait to build it. Or just save it for later. I think it's a good investment to buy it and hang on to it. Might not even take it out of the box. The other one though I am gonna build. So this set cost me, I think it was around $300, just over $300. I'll look up the price though and have it for you. So that's number one. Whew, that's pretty cool. And even the Disney characters come with it. That's a cool one. Especially even as an investment, I don't think you're gonna lose money on that one ever. So this came with it for free. I don't even know what that is. Looks like maybe a little kid's one. When my daughter gets a little bit bigger, I'll give her this. That's a cool gift. All right, drum roll everybody. This is pretty exciting. Whew. Here we go. So this is gonna be my first building in the town that I'm building, and it is the garage. So it's pretty cool. Can't wait to have it. I want to do the downtown scene. Here's the back of the box. Really want to get that diner and build that whole street out and eventually add on to the town. This looks pretty neat. So this is what I'm going to be building first on this episode. This is the set that I'll be building today. Now, of course, it's the garage scene for the downtown, and it cost me $269 Canadian plus taxes. So super excited to start it up. Let's open up this box and see what's inside. Okay, so now since I am saving the box, I'm just gonna cut away the tape and open it nicely. When you go to repack these, let's say if you're moving or something, you're gonna want the box, so make sure you save them. Oh, and just before I open it, this is the back of the box. Isn't it cool? I've been trying to get my hands on the diner for some time now, so if anyone has one for sale, let me know. I want it. Alright. Now we're going to open it. Weird box. I guess only had to open one side. This one. Oh boy. Woo! I'm going to be forever building this one. Okay, and there we go. Huge catalog with it. This is pretty cool. I think it's their magazine. Along with the instructions. Pretty good instructions that come along with it. I've always found Lego to be pretty good at the instruction catalogs as they're doing it. that will be pretty neat. Let's see how many pieces we have to do. Yeah, the diner set's the one I want next. I want that one bad. So I got 293 steps to do. Pretty cool. Now to make this video a little bit shorter, probably just going to do it in stages. So after each stage is done, I'll film it. Now all these packs are labeled as number 1, so you're just going to find them within all the bigger packs, and these will all make the first few steps of it. So it does make it easier. I know with some of the other Lego sets, they literally just throw them all in one bag, and you got to empty them out and figure out where all the pieces go and hope you don't lose one. So this is an easier way of doing it on these sets. So just finished step 1. Gonna go on to step 2 next. But you can see it's pretty cool already. It's shaping up. There's a little lever here to push this in, and it moves that up for the car. So that's pretty cool. This little cart with wheels on it was neat. And I got the dog and the guy. There we go. There they are. So on to step 2. Just finished the second pack, and look at it. It is looking so cool. Everything works. The detail on this is just amazing. I absolutely love it so far. Can't wait to finish it. And the inside got the staircase in, cash registers there, ready for business. So now it's on to the 3rd stage. Alright, so just got done step 3, going on to step 4 next. And we got another character. I don't know why she's in a bad mood. And then we got this thing. And of course, if you turn this, it goes up and down, which is pretty cool. Gas station's pretty much done. The tree is in. I think this was already in step 2. But pretty much got the signs on. So all that's done in there too. Now I'm going to put the second story on. Alright, so just finished that step. We got the veterinarian's place set up. There's our vet. And it's looking good. And if you look inside, it's pretty detailed. I did like it. Got a little parrot here. And a little map there of dog parks nearby. Got the fish tank in. And we got some chart there and a bunny rabbit. Some cool tools. And then we got over here a desk with newspaper. And a frog. So pretty cool all in all. I love these side windows. I didn't know how they were going to turn out, but they turned out really good. And the little Juliet balcony there with the door is pretty neat. And here we go. I didn't name him yet, but I will name him soon. Let's put him on top. There we go. It's on top. Look at that, looking good. On to the next step now. So just got done the 3rd floor apartment. And I'm going to name this character Chandler off of Friends. So this is Chandler's apartment. It's pretty cool. It's got a little TV there. He's watching something about New York. So pretty neat. It's got a little bathroom in here with a toilet. I thought that was cool. So compact, efficient apartment for sure. And let's put this on and take a peek. There we go. So we only got the 6th step left, and we're gonna be building the roof. So there's Chandler's apartment. Done. So this is the final piece is on. There's the roof deck. It's pretty cool. It's got a little lawn chair. And of course it's got the opening for the staircase and stairs to go down. So it's pretty neat. Chandler's in his apartment cooking some dinner. The doctor's in his office looking after a bunny. And the mechanics are at work. And this cool scooter chick filling up her gas tank, I guess. So that is it. Project complete. Hit subscribe, because next I'll be making another one of these, and of course I'll be adding it to the channel. So if you're into this Lego stuff and you want to follow it, hit subscribe, leave a comment as to which one you're building, and if you have the diner, I am dying for the diner. Let me know if it's for sale anywhere in the world so I can buy it.